back to my YouTube channel. In case it's the very first time, you're most welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back once again. But hey, today we are talking about how to budget for your salary. Now, this one is a video I am creating because I have experienced it, and for the little time that I've managed to work, I know what it means to have a one paycheck and it's what you're looking at, and you're wondering, this money might not be enough for me. How am I able to break it down so that I feel the impact of this money? Okay, now in today's video I just want to share how I have been able to actually plan for my money and know that this is how I'm going to use it and live comfortably, let me say. Okay, now I hope you're ready with your pen and paper, because definitely this might be insightful for you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and join the family, because this should be a place to stay. Now I'll begin by asking you a question. Do you ever get to feel anxious about if the money you're earning is going to be enough? Yes and no. If yes, why are you anxious? Is it because you feel the money is too little? Is it because you feel like you have so many needs and wants and emergencies? If no, why don't you feel anxious? Is it because you are planning well? Is it because you know exactly where to put your money? If you're able to answer these two questions, yes or no, very good of you, okay? But today I want to share with you some of the ways that I've been able to actually utilize my salary properly, and these can work for anyone. Okay, now the moment you get your salary, it's important to know that definitely there are things that you need to spend money on, and those are the needs. I want you to use the 50 30 20 rule. 50% is intended to go on your needs, 30% is meant to go to your wants, another 20% is meant to go to your savings. Yeah, make sure that at least on every paycheck that you get, or on every amount of money that you get, if you do not have a salary and your money comes in on a daily, at least you're able to save something. Why? Because by all means you need that money for emergency. When you're planning for what your needs are, definitely those are the fixed costs. You need money for rent, you need money for food, you need transport, you need to pay tithes. Basically, you need to list down those things that you feel you can't go without per month, and then you dedicate that money to your needs. And then when it comes to wants, one should be like things you have but you feel you need something else. Okay, when I talk about food as being a need, there are times when you find that food has become a want. Why? Because you know that you could spend let me say 10,000 on a meal, but today you choose to be like, no, today I'm treating myself better, let me go and have a meal of 60,000. At that moment it's a need, but you're putting it in a section of a want. Now I want you to be careful. You need to tone down your wants, because if you do not, then most likely you're going to infringe on your savings. And by all means you need a savings, because not all the times people are going to bail you out. Okay, and also you need to be your first resort when things go bitter. When you're able to break down your monies into needs, wants and savings, that is when you will see that my money has come. Let me say I'm earning, let me say 2 million shillings. I'm able to dedicate, let me say, 1 million to my needs, and then I'll dedicate half of the other million to my wants and the half of the other million to my savings. Okay, when you're able to plan, you will not feel anxious about having the money that you are earning. The truth of the matter is that money will never be enough. Even when you get to a point when you're earning the money that you dream to earn, trust me, that time your needs and wants will be more. But what makes a difference is the culture that you have built on how to plan and spend your money. Now, if you are a young person, this is a culture I would want you to adopt. Learn to plan for your money and know that these are my constant expenditures. this month, and this is where I'm going to spend the money. Yeah, and also ensure to keep a certain portion for those times when things are hard. Yeah, and train yourself to be frugal. Not every day is for spending too much. Yeah, sometimes choose to go and buy from downtown. Not all the time that you're going to buy from the supermarket. In my next video, I want to share with you a number of habits that are going to save you money. Okay, now look out for that video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Okay, just in case you need clarity on anything, or you want to add something on this particular video, or how have you been saving, okay, you can comment down in the comment section. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and definitely I'll get in touch with you. Okay, if you want to have a one-on-one conversation, my contact is in the description box. Otherwise, I hope this video was insightful to you. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to work hard and always have good intentions in whatever that you do. See you guys in my next video. Bye.